wonderful viewers. This is the cabin in the hood. And what I have here is Nixie gel polish. I bought this off of Temu. And it is wonderful. What you get out of the package is you get their LED lamp. It's 48 watt. It works perfectly. This is an unboxing haul. What comes in the box is you get your supplies right here. You get your toe dividers. Right here you get your toe dividers. You get your decor tool. If you want to put rhinestones on your fingernails for decorative applications. You get your nail brush. You get your cuticle tools for cuticles on your nails. You get a nail filer. You get rhinestones. Oh, they're so pretty, nice and shiny. You get your nail decor. Decorate your nails. You can do a French manicure tips. You get your gold stripes. You can decorate them with some gold stripes. Silver stripes, if you want to put silver stripes on your nails. Here is some more decor. Some roses if you want to put gold roses on your nails. This is red strips. You want to put red decorating strips onto your nails. You get your Nixie remover pads. More nail decorations. And more colorful assorted size rhinestones. You get instructions. Your step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You get your LED instructions. You get a second nail filer. You get your matte top coat. You get 50 nail polish colors. 50, that is a lot of assortment of nail colors. They all are so beautiful. You also get your gel base coat. This is a very nice gel polish. I did my nails last night and they are gorgeous. I just love them. Purchase the Nixie gel polish on Temu. You will not be disappointed. Beautiful. I give this 5 stars. Thank you. The link is in the description box down below. Like, subscribe, and share. Bye.